Railway inspection system based on Internet of Things.
Railways are one of the most important modes of transportation in India. They connect different regions of the country and facilitate the movement of people, goods, and services. Railways also play a vital role in the economic development of India, as they provide cheap and efficient transport for various sectors such as agriculture, industry, and tourism. Railroad track deterioration is caused by the continuous impact of repetitive passing of trains, high railroad network velocity, and environmental conditions. The presence of even a small flaw in rail tracks might introduce more severe defects and broken rails, which can lead to huge maintenance costs and reduce the reliability and availability of the system. But more importantly, flawed rail track can lead to train derailments, which subsequently endanger the safety of the passengers and train crews. So to prevent such disasters caused due to track quandaries, and to make the process of rail track inspection more efficient, swift, trustworthy, and inexpensive when compared to the present methods, we engendered an IoT-predicated railway inspection system prototype that includes a sensor-equipped robot car that can identify quandaries on the track which have potential for causing railway accidents, and alert the concerned authorities immediately and help to avoid the disaster. A database is maintained to record the sensor readings in real time. Our system is made to inspect the tracks beforehand train activity takes place and alert the user if any flaws are detected on the track. We have employed various sensors to collect different data on rail tracks. We have programmed the sensors to trigger an alert if there is any deviation from normal readings. The ultrasonic sensor continuously scans the tracks for cracks. The infrared sensor is used to detect obstacles on tracks. We use water and fire sensors that detect rising water and fire respectively to detect flooding or fire on the track. The tilt sensor is used to detect misaligned or crooked tracks, which can cause derailments or accidents if left unfixed. While an alert is only generated when there's a deviation from the normal readings, live sensor data is continuously recorded in the database. The alert generated contains the type of fault and the coordinates of the location of the fault. The sensor readings are converted into SI units and recorded in the database. This is our prototype model. Thanks for watching. If you want to know detailed info about the various technologies, modules, protocols, tools used, just click on the link in the description or pinned comment.